Today we are here at Summit at Towne Mill in Canton, and I am here with Casey from Century Communities.
Hi.
And Casey, when I was driving in, I saw a gorgeous pool. So tell me a little bit about the amenities in the neighborhood here.
Yeah, so we have a swimming pool, 4 tennis courts, a basketball and a playground across the street right here. And we also have access to the reservoir. And with the low maintenance, with us taking care of the lawn care and the HOA, you have that extra time to spend over at the swimming pool or at the lake to go fishing and whatnot. So it's really nice.
Well, the amenities are absolutely incredible. So tell me a little bit about the homes here at Summit at Towne Mill.
Yeah, so we are an all master down community. We have 2-bedroom floor plans or 3 bedrooms, up to 4-bedroom homes. Lofts are included on a few of those floor plans, but you have the option of adding that extra bonus room if you like. And then we have the 0 entry showers, which are standard in most of our homes, and with the 0 entry thresholds coming into the home. Each home is built with the homeowner's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops. Because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford.
So talk to me a little bit about availability, because I know that a lot of people are looking for homes today and there aren't a lot available. So what type of availability do you guys have here?
So we do have one standing inventory home right now. We have 4 that are under construction, and then eventually we will be releasing 2 lots. So right now we only have 9 homes that will be available, and then the community will be complete.
So Casey, where did the homes start here at Summit at Towne Mill?
So they start in the mid-3s, but you have the option to go down to the design center, so you can pick out your own selections. So you can pretty much manage how much you want to put into your home. So typically around $350 to $400.
So Casey, if someone wants to find out more, what's the best way to do that?
The best way to do that is to call our office at 470-552-2131 or go to centurycommunities.com.
Well, Casey, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, you can go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.